The advertising market is changing. A growing part of media buying and selling is being automated. Advertisers and publishers have an increasing amount of possibilities to buy and to sell media. Adapt offers many of these possibilities within an automated environment, giving advertisers the opportunity to bid on every ad impression. Before the ad is delivered to the screen, and if there is no matching directly sold campaign, Adapt is asked to auction the ad impression. For every ad within the exchange, we need to consider many factors and many variables. The decision within the auction is made in a 2-millisecond window. Every ad request is fulfilled by Adapt. The ad tailored to the user and advertiser is delivered to the screen. Servicing over 100 websites and more than 300 advertisers, the complete process occurs over 65 million times a day. And it only takes 150 milliseconds to complete the whole process back to back, changing the advertising market of today. Adapt, Sanoma Media.